If we just be falling, you know, as we do drum regularly for this place. This one at the show, what we call BOBOS Yarn. Yes. We yarn the yarn and we talk the talk. Yeah. Yes, BOBOS Yarn it is. And you know, say I did regularly with my criminals. I've been get some time we say some of them run. They capture, kid there, you know, just knock them one.
No.
Knock them one.
You know, talk well. Now only one person lost, and me. And I went to Chibok.
Shakara first lost before you call lost.
But me na Chibok I go. I went to.
No be that time where you still address.
You go greedy mission. You know,
very greedy mission.
Impossible.
But na BQ stay.
Na BQ stay.
No, but Shakara after that time, you know where I can't go. That man we walk out from Lagos go reach Abuja. Now that man I follow now. But that man can lie. I didn't drive my car. The man they carry sometimes I car. I want to lie, but he look okay. Nothing do I. It's never Lagos go Abuja.
Say na 3 weeks. Person we go don't trek. We don't reach one place when night reach.
Yeah, he go sleep.
You go take stop bus.
Carry me go to the village. Nobody go see her now. You understand? That whole thing.
In the morning when he started the work, you call the call people, they call press.
Come and see me working.
Yes, I beg say welcome. Na BOBOS Yarn it is.
Yes, so.
Why I say Chakra?
I say, Baba.
That's so.
But I don't miss the bar.
That's so.
I don't call my name now.
Showman. If I don't call your name,
Naming ceremony.
I don't understand. Man call your name. Na naming ceremony I do.
No, I don't miss you now. I don't miss my lovely fans, friends, my females. You know. You know, some people they tell me over the weekend say that they like the advice where they give them. It's out of 3 of us, and me they tell them marital deliverances. You know, and I don't like tell these ladies how to rescue. Shakara, you know that. Some
call this boy now. I don't got my hair.
Thank God, say no, they hear you.
You know, say I don't like to waste some of my talk.
Your talk. You
reserve
for later.
For very important people when they watch us.
Shakara and the gang.
If I go with them. Yeah, very soon. You know, we're coming.
That's so.
You will see me live very soon. June 28th, Muson Center. Shakara.
Now we go advertise for you. No worry. No worry.
I'm good.
So they're not going to see us for them.
Now be my opening from now. My opening and my closing. No, see June 28th. So let's fire that moderator.
Yes, we want to talk about one specific matter today because you know, say so many babes they out there. We say that they date, then they marry, but they know the sauce. The sauce. We say the whole groove where they groove, the sauce where they take groove. They don't know where they come from. Now I'm coming us through this matter today. Yeah, the matter.
Otherwise, some girls they date. They don't know the kind sauce with their boyfriend
money
inside shoe.
In other words, what is Shakara no go maybe say like that? Shakara no go now. If it now they date them. No be only one work they do. The one where they front outside say na comedy na lie. La Shakara we know other things wey Shakara fit dey do.
That one even different.
That one even good by your work even.
Say your girlfriend, know you with one work, but meanwhile you get some other background things where they do. Which it's different than.
From because you don't even know anything.
How they get money?
I beg now wetin come kind of come talk this matter today. You fit marry or date guy wey be say you don't know a source of income.
Gang.
No matter what we talk about today with that. I beg. Wait, you know, say so many girls they carried away with fact of say they see flashy things. Hey, he get car, he get this one, he get that one, they give me money, he buy me phone, they take care of me, they do everything. Then go come ignore the fact say they need to know. You know, say you love person, you want marry him. You don't know the source, how the guy they take make the money. So what can make you think, say, you won't marry the person? Because if they get starts tomorrow, now you go use that career.
I don't say, when I go one talk, say, it is very important, make them know this.
It's very important.
But now the same when I go talks, now I want to talk as if now, we never talk about guy now, and I want to talk about girl now, when you know the source from a man, you understand? But if the girl now come begin to ask for source, so God will say the girl they materialistic, you understand? Say she don't dey too look for money. Say that money she dey all concerned about.
No, but normal person wey dey insane no go say any girl where they ask a man say only wetin where do you work or wetin you dey into. Not be materialistic except you know just normal. Because now just normal thing for any woman at all. We be responsible woman. In fact, even irresponsible woman, because I know say you get some irresponsible women
Of
wey
course,
dey
of
for
course.
marriage.
Yes,
because
yes,
I know
yes,
they can't anybody off. Because I don't see Chris woman wey get 2 children.
Of course.
Now a person still dey come for night, still dey service
Dey service am.
the children number, so na so e be. So normal person suppose ask say, even though you no ask, the guy go take. You suppose know even from dating.
But what if if the guy no one tell you?
How the guy
You
no
don't
go
lock
tell
up
you?
like that.
Yes,
Just
if
like
the guy
that.
and the guy they do everything for you.
Okay, can you not tell your wife that?
But
this
wait,
is what
you
you're
know,
doing?
wait,
You-
make
Let
I
me
ask
tell
one
you.
question.
No,
I'm
ask
to
you
show
one
man
question.
now.
Wait,
Be different.
Man, make me say if you make you answer 2 in 1.
Okay.
Ask him the first one we go ask him.
Can you not tell your wife now? Say I am so. This is what I'm doing.
And
can you keep it from your wife?
Are you trying to tell us now that you cannot tell your
Why
wife
you
how much
just
you
want
earn?
mislead people?
How much you earn? You cannot tell your wife.
You just want mislead people.
I am a marriage counselor. And I
Marriage
tell you
counselor.
something.
Cancel, we won't cancel people. What
This
people
kind of answer they want to give you.
say if you're working,
Don't tell your wife what you do.
What
Don't
did you
tell
ask-
your wife
what did
how-
you ask me?
Can you tell your wife how much you earn?
That's what I'm saying. I won't come to that one. Now your own go make me want answer them. Most men, they tell women how much they earn.
Why?
What is
how
why?
much the end is different from
Thank you
what you are
for
doing.
what you are doing.
What you are
Now,
doing.
some men, let me tell you, get some job. It be like if you do all this CIA. I get friend will be spy for police. They be spy. They
your
are
wife
on
wey
no
you marry.
condition.
Woman,
Yes,
you
you
marry.
swear on it. You don't bother. You cannot tell.
Nah, lie. How can you not tell your wife?
Eh?
I put it to you that you are a criminal. For you not to,
Ashi
for you not to
Burugi.
tell your wife.
No, let me tell you. See, I dey like me. I dey like one day on it. Okay, what if now the guy to the girl? What of the girl to the guy? If the guy they know what the girl they do, but the girl they come.
Nah, like, most girls no, but I they say a lot of girls say that they tell their men they voting.
For instance, and this thing they happen more with the girls, not even the guys, because most of them you get girlfriend now, she's not living with you, but she dey always come see you. Then maybe you don't meet her, she get car. For instance, now this week I meet one babe, we get car. You understand? Correct car. But I will
That your friend, babe,
excuse
wey you wan collect. You know say this craze wan collect him friend girlfriend.
Hey!
No be joke. Now make I dey support all these negative things. This boy is very negative.
Showman, from today henceforth, don't touch my phone.
No.
Don't come close to me. In fact, I will unfriend you on
let me
every
tell you.
social media.
I lie or not. You wan collect your
You
I
won't
know
collect
what
that,
to
no.
collect.
What you going to do?
I just want to use one song
Hey!
to explain that to you. The song by Omarion featuring Chris Brown and Jane Aiko is called Supposed to Be. Go and hear that song. If your
Sing
girlfriend
one line
comes
of
to
the
me,
song.
Sing one line of the song.
Come close to me. What do you want to be? What supposed to be? I'm making money like it's supposed to be.
Anybody with girlfriend close to you now is not
supposed to
safe.
be.
It's supposed to be.
Supposed
It's
to
supposed
be.
to be. What I'm saying is this. I know that girl issue now different. Now, if another topic what we go discuss. I don't want to digress. But I know clearly, say if the girl now, like this girl now where I first see, they drive good car. Most times now, if you see a girl with a good car, she get money, so they won't disturb you. You ask the girl, say, what is she doing? She no fit tell you. She say she's doing nothing. So then they even say they do buying and selling. Most girls are buying and selling.
If girl tell you say she dey do buying and selling, show you where you demand, you no go confirm am.
You go don't know now.
My
You don't
brother,
know.
I have seen, wetin they had there now.
No,
you
you
tell me,
can't
say,
guess.
ma tell you now, girl can't tell you, say I'm doing buying and selling. You can't say you won't confirm am. Can't say, say she already order for, sell for her goods. Say her goods go soon come. You understand? In the next 2 weeks. Wetin hard, make she, if you see that you really dey inquisitive, if you read that 2 weeks that you know can't ask, and most times men where I know their mind they on cranking. That 2 weeks they get called the wire you can't forget to ask. The day when you can't ask, she can't tell you say now in the next 3 days, now the shoes
Any
or her
man,
goods.
any
You
man
know
where
how to go buy shoe for Lagos Island.
Any
Begin to show you say that the
man
goods
wey do am
Yes,
like that,
wait,
you know how to agree. But any
At
man
least.
wey him girlfriend tell say see wetin I dey do, and you no confirm say see wetin, that means say you not serious with the relationship. Na the truth,
least,
because
see,
you no fit go
to
carry
me,
person wey be
who
say
go-
you know say
to
na
me-
illegal
no,
things you dey
no,
do,
see.
come finish you now.
Let me
we're
tell
not
you something.
saying- okay.
Confirmation is not even necessary to me. Like me now, if I get girlfriend or wife, she say she dey do so thing, and I know say now I no go that far to wan go confirm whether she dey do am genuinely. Because if she dey travel now, I wan follow am go see whether
The
she go.
confirmation why they
whether
try
she go
talk,
buy goods.
the confirmation why they
Ma
talk.
tell una,
See,
Ugo.
The most
confirmation-
important thing be
wait.
say
The
the most
confirmation-
important thing be say she don tell me cover herself under one umbrella.
Umbrella,
Say,
agree.
This is what
The confirmation why they talk, Shakara na say, know how. one day go day, you go find out whether truly now what she dey do with that or not. Because it's either her customers will look for her, they will call her, or it's either she will need to supply some people what she's selling.
No,
be say, you don't understand. No be say go just there, you no go to do am, you no go to see traces of that thing. You go say
do you have plenty time now? Because if I want to talk this next thing now, you go carry us go far.
More that go for street. When we come back, we will talk the matter. We will come back.
No, I don't feel married.
Now I know work. I can't marry her. I don't feel marry her.
No, I don't fit it because if I want to marry a woman, I have to know everything about her. I don't like to make the money. I don't feel married. If I suppose know the reason. I suppose know how the money they come. If I marry her. So I can't marry the person where I don't know anything about her.
I have to know where that person is staying, know her parents. If I don't know her parents, that's not how I can marry such person.
Well, before you go marry a woman, I need to marry a woman, I want to know how to get back. But at least, before I marry a woman, I must know the source of her living.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now see BOBOS here and they watch on top this Ogbonge platform where they give out all the church and things. I beg, when I don't see the go for studio, we carry concern. I'm matter what they talk about today. And I say you fit, date, or marry person where you don't know in source of income. That matter what they talk about. Showman, we will talk about something.
Okay, sorry, before you...
no, I want to make you...
You know why this is just the funny somehow? Because now I guess on worst part. Because nowadays, especially for BBN, every girl get boutique.
Every girl.
Every girl.
True.
All of them when they go Dubai, they say they go buy things.
Now buying and selling, they call them. Buying and selling.
They go, some say they sell bags, some say they do...
Meanwhile,
once especially the ones where they travel, go Abuja. And in fact, the two states where they always go supply, I don't know who they stay for this Akwa Ibom, this Uyo.
Excuse me.
Where they go supply. If I slap you, you go to talk. Other politicians for that state. Abuja, how do you get? They say that they go, you go supply.
Please, Sakara.
What do you watch people they buy things for?
Please,
yo.
my people, don't mind it.
Hey.
Now, simple question, Ugo. So you want to sell where there's no market? You go where there's market.
Which market is in Uyo?
They have money there in Abuja. They have money to buy things.
Which market is there?
The way gets the go supply things there. Once they, now someone say they sell human hair. It can't go. Now, so my sister they worry me say make I buy something for her birthday. That's okay. I go surprise her. Now come ping the girl. You will say human hair. She say she's coming. She don't read the ping again. She don't reply me again. It come like I find trouble. I say I won't buy. To supply come with
problem. No, but you know say these two states, AA, Akwa Ibom, Abuja, there's money. And this men...
There's money, they are useless men, in those two places.
Let me tell you, why do you want to go and sell something to this boy in Abia? That you know that if he only crank you and not buy good things. We crank and give you the money. We crank we pay for cranking.
People men are the greatest men you can ever meet.
Yes.
Yes, I'll show you.
They are the most stingiest. They want
like
that.
Now
they measure.
I said it's
you see the funny part, they'll go supply things for you. They'll come snap because Topicana, beauty,
Ibom Faisa.
Ibom Topicana, chili. You will go supply handbag of 2,000. You can't go launch for hotel of 6,000.
50K. But that's where you supply. That is where we are when they come to meet us.
But
you understand? What's the way I want to ask you? Where we're going to be? You say, okay, now you say you need to know what's in your guy or your partner they do. A guy when they do Yahoo, he no go want tell babe that first time when he never took this show of the girl. You understand? So most times you see most Yahoo boys, they either come out go their friend house to go do their business. They tell the babe say, I dey go work. You want me the boy call lie give the girl, and then most times again, the girl now could don't fall in love with the guy. The guy gives you everything where you want. He dey give you money. So the day when you want call in the talk say, what do you do? He can tell you say, I do I do import and export because men on the always heavy in that kind of thing. You walk up begin the data. If you can't call like you say, I will not give you the money, I'll give it to you again. See, woman can't keep quiet because nobody wants to suffer. So I'm after all this, I say, okay, how do you help this kind of situation where we say the guy business not too either the business not too legit or you know be that kind of business like that guy. Sorry to cut again. The guy will say they say what do you do? He say I'm into oil. He say into you don't say na palm oil. Na palm oil. How they say? So you see, you know if we talk so don't blame some people when they know fit express the kind of business they do.
I mean why this one when they hit our head here. Yeah. They won't fight each other over this thing. Many girls and many guys go laugh for them and say, wetin concern me?
Thank you.
With wetin they do.
They bring money back.
As far as pepper the rest.
Thank you.
But I tell you say if we enter street, ask some people say true for your true mind, you marry woman wey be say bah. Don't lose enter. You want to worry her life. You know where I don't say you did very right. Some people go first ask her. But you know say no comfort.
But you know say this particular issue we dey talk about now, it don't make so many women deal without their husbands. Why? I don't see several marriages where we say now so they take start time. The women them know the major source of income where the men them get, and at the end of the day, those men are pushers.
Let me tell you the truth, for this life,
you don't understand. Those men are pushers.
Anywhere you
now
find.
When Yawa finally gas, now those women come know. Right now, all they do is go and visit them in prison.
No be waiting make the woman won't go. Any woman, they say like they attract waiting you must attract yourself. Those women don't know from day one, but they just close their eye. You understand? We get cases of person where they close to this our bar. Where the wife don't come pack expensive car for this in club. Okay. Run, go. She don't know from day one, you know, say, this guy don't be say, his hand too clean or something. But maybe now she don't, they say, make I stay, money day. Then now he don't come hook her for neck, she run. I don't get away those days for Abuja. They do my construction work, engineer, they do everything. She they happy. Today what I say, I'm not fulfilled. I won't do showbiz. I go look TV, I go see Shakara, I want to do my DC. The girl leave me home. I no like give you. He say because you don't want to suffer. So if you sit down and keep quiet now, no tell the girl. Say I want change. I call the form say I'm still. She know one day Abuja there no. She dey PH.
Meanwhile, many.
But just switch.
Many people wey go find out say their husband na drug they push or they do anything negatively. No be say they like her. But the love wey they get for the man.
Thank you. That's another factor.
They can't make them see the thing as
it is normal.
As legit.
Because I want to ask you a question. Who be the wives of all these politicians where they kill people?
I don't meet girl where they opposed to where they challenge me say Yahoo na work. See whether she appoint to say bank managers. Say they crack their brain on business strategy, on how to get customer and how to do this. Say that the brain they work. Say that the same thing with Yahoo. Say how to convince.
You don't see how some girls will take advice you.
I swear, the guy they tell me, say man don't tell say this is not because say all work na work. Say even na shower na work.
You know they tell say hustle.
Say whether I know what it take to stand for outside.
Yes.
You as a man, she calls me say whether only me if go stand for Zumba, but the way
you don't think that
around 2 the day. Whether fear don't kill
you. You're right.
You understand?
You're right.
Because when we lose your opinion,
it's right.
Come back, which I know those ones are standing.
I am glad that for Sakarana is now coming to my to understand.
I'm coming to your side.
No, you're coming to my side now.
I'm trying to tell
you. You know what? You are saying what I'm saying. You understand?
I'm not saying what you are saying.
Thank you for being on my side now.
This is your opinion. This is your opinion.
Take it and leave Sakara alone.
My guys know how they making money.
No fee marry.
Make I no fear say maybe one day if he use me just do ritual, I don't know, but no, I need to know how he makes his money.
I prefer the man when me and him go start from the beginning, so we go know ourselves more than say him go just say him get money, plenty money, so I don't know how he takes him money.
So that end of the day, myself, I will not even lose my life. No, I don't feel marry him. I go marry my way. I don't know how they. When I don't know how the money they come. Whether na thief, I don't know. Whether na 419, I don't know. whether they kill man and woman be, I don't know. I don't fit to.
No, I no fit to. I no fit. I don't see many people when they put for trouble. Not be something when I want put hand. So.
Yes. Now see BOBOS here and you dey watch. If you just join us, you don't miss, yeah. You don't miss. But me and my men them, me Showman and Shakara, we still dey inside the bar. They talk the matter what they talk about today. Now say you fit date or marry person where you don't know in source of income. Now matter what they talk about today, but and I see your opinion, I just see finish. So these babes they don't yet finish.
Okay, I just want to imitate somebody because yes. If you just join us, yes. the number of yes.
Wait, they always talk about.
Okay, yes.
You don't do. You don't finish that yes. Yeah, you don't like a yes. Yes. This will go like to press woman where you go like woman body. Because
I don't know.
Yes. This will go ever want find out if his wife be work or what kind of work he's doing. Igbo man, you don't go find out. You don't go find out.
Big lie.
Igbo man is after how much?
What do you mean?
Baby.
Nah lie.
You say you're a billionaire.
I'm telling
no
you,
problem.
it's a lie.
Don't come in.
Oh, shit.
Don't mind now. Yes.
Shakara get message for you.
Yes.
Don't mind.
But really, you know, say, but we will no lie. To make us safe and to make relationship better, it's good you know. May you sabi wetin your partner they do.
Nah, but
good.
I agree with you. You need to know. But you know, say in the process, even when you don't marry, sometimes some men we can't get second job, third job, and their wives no even know.
See,
and most of the second and third job can be illegal kind of job. They don't know.
And some they purposely keep the job because of demand.
Yes, now.
Because if you tell your wife, let your wife know, say, I don't do into
you know go, you understand. You know go great.
To come let you know, say,
because already you understand. And then check out most times, the man don't marry, you understand, with a very small, slim salary. The man's come the plenty for house. He can't know say, oh boy, you need to increase in hustle.
But you know, say secrets in marriage not too good.
My brother, is a lie, yo. I heard it today.
Secrets in marriage is not too good.
Oh my God, you must lie in marriage, yo.
Showman.
You must lie, yo.
I know buy down.
You see women?
I know buy down.
Women don't love
this one
the
a matter for another day, but I know buy am with you.
Okay.
I know buy that matter.
See, but in another news, sure you know say once you marry person, you can't know say this person know they do anything, you know they work. Then all of a sudden, the person they see money. People know they ask at that point in time again.
They just feel say that the job, now they bring the money.
You understand? But meanwhile, before you know say this person, you know get.
I get friend.
But things gonna change.
I get friend. Where in they work, they in salary and in wife. The wife they work for the same company, you understand? So the wife know every amount. I hope this body they watch this show. The wife know the same. They collect the same amount of money. So she know, and the woman they very very strict. The boy can drink. So immediately they collect money, she don't collect. Like over, maybe now 150, collect 100. Cutlass, it is 50, you understand? Now 10K or so for every week. Yeah. So the boy, you can't get money to flex. Meanwhile, the boy, they get some other hustle for the office. They say that go training.
They don't turn them to barrack life. For barrack, soldier, the wife, on payday, every soldier wife, they call line up. They get money where they know they give. If soldier salary, for example, is 150, every soldier, maybe 60,000 for the salary that the wife that they give.
Yes. My in-law na electoral current, understand? And my sister now they control all the resources. But I know say that man get money somewhere. You know, where you see the hype.
I don't even talk well. We don't talk the matter well today. And we won't rush. The world don't spoil. When we come back, we go talk chickeny before we come carry and go. When they come back, world don't spoil. Yes.
I want to sing the song. Can I have a dance? Rosie, your friends are watching me. Rosie, they would laugh at me. Rosie, can I have a
song where you grow me.
Rosie, Lord of mercy.
You know what the black is I swear to I swear my father. If Showman knows something when this song they rain, Blackie.
What year was this song? If you can tell me. What year?
This one.
What year now?
Between 1994, 95, within that
90s.
Within not be 90, within 94, 95.
So
within 94, 95. At that time, nine Shino Peters, Raskimono, na the same era. And you were a child.
Look at this one. So you wait. You actually see me like a young boy. So am I a 90s child? Am I a 90s person?
I beg. USA 94 team. Mention 5 players.
I am mention.
USA 94 team.
Yekini.
1.
Emmanuel Amunike. Sunday only 3. Mutu Adepoju.
4.
Wait.
Thank you.
Do you know the eras of them Donald Erickson? No. Do you know those days?
My friend, something.
Many rivers to cross.
You don't go to play with the papa record.
I can't seem to
play with the papa record. Or you're going to play with the papa record.
I thank God for having a young face. And you think I am that young.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Me go down first before give me beer can.
Look at this man that was born before 1960. Yeah, you're too old to be on this this bar.
One word, you good or you no good to know wetin.
You don't go know again.
No,
don't say anything.
And he also good to be prepared for June 28th.
In your own look, well, you see, I cannot say much, but you need to know what your partner they do.
I beg, I don't hear every, and from me, I they tell you now say it is very, very important. Say you know what your partner they do before you go to take them further. I beg, I take God beg you. Do the right thing. From all of us here, we say good night.